How to clean your dishwasher in 5 steps. It is no longer news that dishwashers accumulate so much dirt courtesy of usage. Yes, it does the work of cleaning, but dishwashers are only designed to clean dishes, not themselves. So if you want to enjoy durability, you must clean them properly. Now, there's no need to get worked up. Cleaning dishwashers do not require scrubbing and so much effort. You must know little tricks that can get the job done easily. We will be explaining them in this video. As usual, we will leave you with a bonus tip at the end. Let's go. Number 1. Remove particles. Food particles may get stuck in the dishwasher while doing the dishes, especially when you don't pre-wash them before putting them in there. These particles build up and may start to give off a bad smell, or even clog the drain. The first step in cleaning a dishwasher is carefully looking out for particles in the filter, dispenser, and other areas. Once you find them, remove them with a brush, toothpick, or your hands, as the case may be. The goal is to ensure you get all of the particles out. Number 2. Soak the parts in a mixture. After clearing the clutter, the next step to clean your dishwasher is to remove parts like the filter and racks. Then go ahead and soak them in warm water with baking soda, vinegar, dishwasher detergent, etc. You can leave them soaked in until they give you the desired result. Just any good solution that will clean them out properly. Also, read the manufacturer's manual to learn how to remove and fix these parts, so you don't destroy them. Number 3. Give it a hot water cycle. You usually run the dishes on a cycle in the dishwasher. Now, it's time to run the dishwasher on a hot water cycle. While the parts are soaked in the mixture and waiting to be cleaned, prepare another mixture of your preferred cleanser, baking soda, dishwasher detergent, or vinegar. Still, this time with hot water instead, because this process requires removing leftover debris, soap scum and stains. So you will need the water at a higher temperature. You may use all 3 cleansers, because they all serve different purposes. While baking soda leaves the dishwasher with a fresh and pleasant smell, vinegar removes the tough stains. Number 4. Clean the doors. Now that you've successfully cleaned the interior part of the dishwasher, it's time for the exterior. The doors harbor a lot of germs due to constant opening and closing. Select a good and soft towel cleaner for the doors and handles of your dishwasher to prevent scratching them. Soak them in a good cleaning mixture and carefully wipe them. Number 5. Dry them out. By now, the filter, racks, and utensils holder you soaked should be ready and clean. It's time to dry and clean them. You can dry them up manually with a clean towel, or apply heat to get them dried. Whatever works for you, just ensure they don't go back in there wet. Finally, here is your bonus tip. Fix them up. Sounds obvious, right? Yes, but we must mention it. After cleaning and getting them dried, make sure to fix them up for a later date. This ensures you don't start looking for any of the parts later. Additionally, be sure you fix them correctly. In conclusion, just with these simple steps, you can clean your dishwasher and leave it smelling fresh and ready to be used. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite to join our virtual online masterclasses to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, FastKlean. A greener and healthier future.